Dr. Batra, let's move to our next mail, and which is from South Africa, and she is Reshma Sayona. She wrote, respected Dr. Rupa Batra, as my family was going under health problems, as I came to know that my kitchen is in the wrong direction, now I am shifting a new house where I got the kitchen in southeast. Please advise me how to arrange the kitchen as per Vastu. I will be highly obliged if you suggesting best.
Well, great, you got the house where the kitchen is in southeast. As per Vastu, the direction of the kitchen should be southeast, first position, and for many people are listening to this program, so I must repeat more options also. First is southeast, second is northwest and west. Now, the kitchen platform top should not be of black in color, first thing, and the direction of the cooking should be towards east. It means that the person who is cooking the food should face east. A cooking stove and appliances should not be visible from outside main door. Kitchen should sink should be not very near to the cooking stove. It means it should not be in one row. Drinking water appliances should be placed in northeast, north and east. If you have kept the if you have to keep dishwasher, it should be kept in northwest. Even you can keep it in west also. Refrigerator, it can be placed in southwest, southeast. Exhaust fan can be placed anywhere where you are, where it is practically possible. Electrical appliances like microwave, mixer, grinder, it can be kept in southeast corner, south corner, east, wherever you easily it can be placed, but whatever I have told you, that is much better. Kitchen cabinet should be placed in south, southwest, west, and overhead cupboard should not be kept over cooking stove. Take care of these points, definitely you are going to be healthy, more healthy than before.
Okay, Dr. Batra, I think Reshma, you should consider all the tips which is suggested by Dr. Batra, and definitely it will better for you.
Dr. Rupa Batra, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. Our address, Global Vastu, E16/376, Sector 8, Rohini, Delhi 85. You can also contact us on these numbers 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can also mail us batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also join the Facebook, www.facebook.com/globalvastu.